Hello, my name is Gerard Businge. I'm the team leader at Yaaka Digital Network. I am the founder of this enterprise, which we began discussing in 2014, but it has taken us a long time to build. Yaaka is a digital learning platform which offers both online and offline content input access and capabilities for facilitating teaching and learning, both online and offline. We have built Yaaka with interactive learning content for the Uganda curriculum, comprehensively from primary 1 to senior 6. We have other courses that we offer in partnership with other institutions, but our focus is on digitalizing the Uganda curriculum. We also have Yaaka, because of the challenges over the time as we developed, we started Yaaka as a platform for online learning. We noticed that many people did not have gadgets and they did not have capacity to come and study online. So we developed tablet computers and an offline platform, an offline app of the same version that we are able to have the offline app pre-installed so that learners can, when they get tablets and computers, they come pre-installed with the content, including all the videos and interactive learning elements. Over time, we realized, again, as we implemented with different organizations and different schools, that schools needed their own system that they can iterate, they can change. So we developed Yaaka Plus, which is a networked offline learning platform where we install Yaaka on a server and we are able to network it and give it an IP address that anyone within that school environment. Right now we support a radius of 500 meters circumference, and anyone within that network can access the learning content for free. So schools are able to offer both to their learners and teachers for access anywhere, anytime offline, but also those who are near other centers where people can access learning, they can access. We also offer digital pedagogy training in partnership with Makerere University, again based on the realization that digital learning and professional e-learning cannot happen without teachers, but teachers need professional development on how they can effectively utilize the different digital technologies available to improve their pedagogy, how they think about delivering learning, not just because it's not about the technology, it's about how they improve, how they prepare and deliver learning and assess learning. So when we started Yaaka, we were running a website which was very popular at that time called Winformers. And we noticed that when we used to study online, the data, many people were searching for digital content, like they would search for biology notes, biology work, chemistry notes, agriculture notes. And when we tried to study these across the Google network, we found that these were not returning useful results because this content was not available. So we wanted to digitize the content, available curriculum, so that people can now come online and search and find this useful content. But when we started this, of course, from research and engaging with different agencies, we found that it needed much more. It is not just about availing documents, but learning would be more useful if it was multimedia. If learners are able to access content both in written, in text, video, audio, as well as graphics. So we expanded our offer to make sure we're providing multimedia content. And then, like I said, already realized that we needed gadgets as well. And we developed an offline app. So we were answering needs at different times. I realized them because when we went out to the field first, they said, but this content for us, we want to have tabs. At that time, there were phones that the maximum you'd find is 16 GB of ROM. So they could not handle an offline learning app. So we thought of making a custom tab that time when we made the first tab at 32, it was among the first tabs that time, but it took us a lot of money and a lot of testing. So we went back to the industry. So we were answering first the lack of content, but also the lack of available offline learning possibilities. It's what Yaaka is answering in the market.